How to buy MOONEDGE token. So this token came under the symbol of MOONED. Now before we start, or MOONED. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. So please, the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, they have a big community there. They have 175,000 followers. So as you can see, if you see this little post, this pinned post, as you can see, they said we will promise our community a CX listing, and it's finally happening. So as you can see, this post is from the MEXC listing X account. So as you can see, the MOONEDGE accelerate Web3 adoption by launching and incubating primarily startups within high performing verticals. So as you can see, so to be able to buy this token, as you can see, this token is available on COINEX. To be able to buy this token, what you need to do, first click on this pair here on Uniswap. So after that, what you need to do is just wait a few seconds, and you will be able to see a page here to click on trade on Uniswap version 2. So after that, what you need to do, just wait a few seconds to be able to locate it on this page. So what you need to do here, I will just disconnect my wallet first to be able to connect it from the start. So what you need to do, click on connect here, connect your wallet. I will use the Bitget wallet first, click on connect. So after that, what you need to do, if you don't find this token from the bottom here, go back to this token page here, as you can see. And now what you need to do, as you can see, so just copy the token address from here. This token address is under the Polygon, as you can see, the Polygon blockchain. So what you need to do, click here, and now as you can see, just select the Polygon from here. This is it. Now paste the token address. So we'll be able to see our token here. Click on it, click on confirm. So after that, select the token that you want to buy with. For example, I will use the USDT as usual. So, but make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet that you connected to this Uniswap page. So after that, it's easy and simple. Type how much you want to buy. As you can see here, we'll be able to see how much you receive. Because I don't have enough USDT on my wallet, I can see here swap. But make sure to read all this information here. And if you are ready to go, click on swap, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet via Uniswap. So this is how to buy MOONED token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.